Like, my mom came, she's crying. Now Hara's doing his speech and he's crying, and I actually can't deal. Like, this it's been so. It's just really emotional. You know.
So complicated. Are we on the run? We up.
Everyone's ready for it. I've just been sent to go run an errand. I need to go and get the bride's veil. Here with me now. We're just getting the bride's veil. So we're on our way now. Just getting into the lift. I hope this is clear now, because earlier when I was... Oh, it's clear now, great. She said... No, she said the 3rd floor. So we're going to the 3rd floor. We're going to get this veil for the bride. This is clear now, right? Guys, I'm so sorry I have to vlog from my phone, but my camera has refused to charge. Wow, this makeup is just everything! Everything! Okay, cool. Oh, no. Just grab the veil. Just grab the veil. And now I'm heading right to the bride's room and I'm going to give her the veil. Guys, this makeup is everything. Like, I keep saying it, but it's everything. Look, veil. Should I try it on? Should I try it on? Yeah.
Please mind the doors. Doors.
This makeup is good.
No one.
Veil.
Thank you. Did Berry iron it?
I just took it from your
Mum.
Yeah. So I
Berry
need to
needs
take
to
it
iron
downstairs. Okay, more errands, guys. Guys, my hair is officially done. What do you think? Comment below. Do you think my hair... Oh, it's not officially done. Oh, sorry. Oops, I have clips there. I didn't know. I didn't see. Do you want to be in the video? This is a professional flower girl. She charges £500 a day. So if you need a flower girl, just contact her. At me and I'll be her agent. In it, Jada. Good. Powerful. But yeah. No, but Jada's got to keep this on. Edge is going to be on point. Tried to cause trouble with the guys in the room and I got bounced. I got told that this is not the time. Guess when you play too much, I play too much. But it's good to play. Keep playing, guys. We're not here for a long time. We're here for a good time. Guys, that's my brother. He's the groom. No, this is my video. My battery on my camera. Please, you are not the groom.
She woke you up and put a camera
in my face when I was sleeping. I don't know what her problem was.
So how are you feeling? Sorry, you're feeling good? Are you nervous? I feel like you'll cry today.
I wonder if you know that I know he's lying, right?
I can see it already.
And you're fine. The only time I'll probably be sad is if I'm dancing with Mother.
No, you'll cry.
Oh, at the front there.
Any cry. Del, say hi. Guys, that's my oldest brother, Del Baywa. And that's the younger one, Kofi. And that's Chantel.
See the youngest?
Yeah.
Meanwhile.
What, you thought?
Put your hands together for Bernadette, you can repeat this. Facing O'Hara. I, and you mention your name.
I, Bernadette,
according to the word of God.
according to the word of God,
Submit myself to you.
submit myself to you,
To be a wife to you.
to be
from this moment forward, I shall love you. I shall give myself to you. And we shall be one. Come on, put your hands together.
So complicated. Are we on or are we up? Tell me the status of our relationship. Them niggas so basic. They don't know how you treat me so beautifully gracious. But sometimes
for the vlog.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah, for the vlog.
I feel great. I'm a married woman.
Oh, are you gonna have sex tonight?
Of course.
Hey! Oh, hi, are you gonna have sex tonight?
How are we going to this one.
Just for the bride. How you guys feeling? It's been a long time. How long have you guys been together for?
4 years.
4 years. Damn. And today you're gonna blow legally.
Amen.
Amen. Look, we're gonna do our entrance dance. Yeah.
through the good times and the bad.
Thank you.
I pray for someone like you. That I finally found you.
I just want to wish you love, prosperity, good health, both of you. I wish you all the best. You have a diamond. This is actually one of the greatest days of my life. My friend O'Hara taking such a great step in his life. Even selecting me as a best man was something that I was not really expecting. And even on the road to even become a best man, I've been accused of bribery. Kidnapping.
I mean, he's always been very close to me. Very, very close to me. I was telling my friend here that he used to tag along just holding my skirt wherever I go.
Thank you. When I say that, I mean it. Yeah, because I genuinely love her. Anything that has to do with love, you don't feel it when it's not pain. It's more like I'm thinking of her. I pray for the grace of God that this union will be forever.
Amen. I was like crying, and O'Hara was like just crying. My brother was just crying, just because he's come a long way with this decision to get married, and we all know where he's come from, and I can genuinely see changes that have happened in his life as he's made this decision, and I'm so happy for him. Like, he's got a good wife, and I wish them nothing but the best. So cheers to good life.
Yeah. a man.
Mommy, walk. Oh, okay. Andrew, come and collect your wife.
Okay. Sorry. Hey.
I'm so interesting. It's why they say that I'm the next thing. Even on features, I ain't impressing. People do hate, but I am flexing. Yeah, I learned a lesson. They throw me shots, but I am a chesting. I'm far from pop, my pop is resting.